Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you the LENOVO IdeaCentre all-in-one. This is a 23.8 inches screen. Here you can see this is the model number AIO 24IRH9 series. It comes with a Core i5 processor, 13th generation processor. Here you can see 512GB M.2 NVMe, Intel shared graphic card 128 MB, 8GB RAM, 13th generation i5 processor, 13420H processor. You can see audio by HARMAN, this audio system. This is a LENOVO IdeaCentre 24 inches all-in-one. Have a look. Core i5 processor, 8GB RAM, 512GB SSD. And this is a webcam and built-in mic. This one is a no touch screen, without touch. This is a front side design. It's a very unique design for office use and personal use also. All in one, everything is built in. This is a side design. And other side you can see here. So this part does not have any ports. So everything is the back side. There is no port. And here you can see the speaker. This is the speaker. So everything, this part having all the connectivities, power and the speaker. So this screen has only camera, webcam is here and mic. So everything is backside only. And let's see the backside. The connectivities you can see USB-C here, USB-C port and headphone jack 3.5mm. Everything is here in backside. So this is the bottom strong metal body, and here you can see all the connectivities backside. These are the ports are available at the back. Here you can see HDMI out. You can see the symbol HDMI out symbol. The arrow mark is out. HDMI is out, and 2 USB port, the power USB and normal USB. Ethernet port RJ45 and one more normal USB. This is a power adapter, USB type. 20 watts power adapter. Here you can see the 20 voltage and 4.5 ampere and 90 watts power adapter. And one more HDMI is here. This is HDMI is in. You can see arrow mark is down, so this is in. So 2 HDMI, one is out and one is in. So this is the backside look. IdeaCentre model. So all the board and RAM and SSD is inside this part. And let's see other ports available in this side. Camera on off button and power button this side. This is the design. This is the backside look of this unit. Here you can see the IdeaCentre 24IRH9 i5 8GB 512GB memory. It comes with a wireless keyboard and mouse. This is the one wireless keyboard and mouse. Have a look. This is a keyboard and batteries is inside here. So comes with a wireless keyboard and mouse together. So this is the design of IdeaCentre AIO all-in-one. So thank you for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel.